have seen in the last video, we have learned about operators. So in this video, we will learn about arithmetic operators. These are the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponential. These are the examples you can solve in Python programming in VS Code, and you can see the output also. So in the next, assignment operators. What are the assignment operators? Assignment operators assign a value to a variable, often combined with arithmetic operators. These are the operators: equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, floor division equal to, modulus equal to, square equal to, x equal to 5, x plus equal to 3. These are the value assigned to the variable x. Okay. In the next part, we are going to learn logical operators and membership operators. So what are the logical operators? It combines Boolean conditions and or not. True if both conditions are true, or true if at least one is true. Not reverses the Boolean value, like you can see x is greater than 0 and x is less than 1. X is less than 0 or x is greater than 10, not x equal to 5. So if we print this code in VS Studio, let's see what is the output of this program. X equal to 7, print x greater than 0 and x less than 10, print x is less than 0 or x is greater than 5, print not x equal to 7. Let's see the output of the program. True, true and false. If you assign these value conditions in this code, and it will print true, true and false. Now, next is identity and comparison operators. So, identity operators check if two variables point to the same object in memory. Identity operators checks if two variables point to same objects in the memory. Like is true if both variables refer to the same object. Is not true if both variables do not refer to the same object. Like you can see a equal to 1 comma 2, b equal to 1, a is b. So it is true. Same object. Is not c equal to 1 comma 2, a is not c. Comparison operators compare two values and return true or false. Equal to operators less than equal to, not equal to, and greater than. These are the comparison operators in Python. Now, as you can see by writing this code, let's see what is the output of this program. Let's write here a comma b equal to 5 comma 10. Print a equal to b. Print a less than b. Print a not equal to b. print A greater than equal to B. So let's see what will be the output of this program. Output are false, true, true, and false. These are the output of this program. Now let's go to further in video lecture. Lesson number 13 is numbers deep dive. Int, float, complex in details. What are number systems and numeric operators? Python supports multiple number representations and powerful built-in functions and operations. Different number representation like decimal, binary, octal, hexa. Decimal will be base 10, binary will be base 2, octal will be base 8, and hexa will be base 16. So if we print all these, it gives 255. Converting between bases. If you print binary of 255, it gives OB and 8 times 1. Print octal of 255, it will give 00377. If you print hexa of 255, it will give OX, F and F. Print int bigger FF, comma 16. It gives 255 hex string to integer. The math module import math, print math.square of 16. It gives 4.0. It is boolean value because it is in decimal. It will give in decimal form. Print math.cell 3.2. It gives round off value to 4. Math.floor 3.9. It gives integer value as 3. Print math.factorial 5. It gives factorial of 5. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It gives 120 as output. Now next one is unit 1 summary. As we have learned up to now, these are the summary of unit 1. We have learned IDE, idle versus code or PyCharm, Python features, interpreted, dynamic, readable, comments, and strings. These are the multivariable strings and two variable strings also we have learned. Expressions and statements, evaluate and execute. IO means input and output. Input, print and F string. Operations. We have learned different operators in this video lectures. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, logical operator, identity operator, compare operator. Next one is numbers. Decimal, binary, octal, hexa, math module. And we've also learned identifiers in these video lectures. And variables and data types. Int, float, string, boolean, list, and dictionaries. So up to now, we have learned all the concepts of Python. I have tried to give my best to explain concept, and if any concept is left out, and sorry for that, I will cover in while while practicing questions in this series. So thank you everyone for listening me carefully and have a nice day.